Hello, today I would like to talk with you regarding the different opportunities available in AI and which are the different job profiles in AI. You have taken admission to the computer science, AI ML, data science, and so on. And you must be wondering what are the different job profiles available in the industry, in the corporate sector, and how we should prepare that. One important thing we should remember that unless we work hard in this field of AI, we will not get a very lucrative and handsome job. So, today we are talking about the structured role of each job profile and the real life examples, and also what are the skills required for these different types of AI jobs. These job profiles must be known to you as a student, as an engineer, as a technocrat, because you should design your roadmap based on this. So, there are total 9 different types of job profiles available for the AI industry. The first is the AI operator, the second is the AI trainer, or we can say data annotator. We are going to see the function and the role of each and everyone in brief. The third is AI developer, and the fourth is AI consultant. Fifth is AI strategist who designed the strategy for AI. Next is the sixth is the machine learning engineer. Next, that is the next in this number, is the seventh, is the most important, is the data scientist. Then we have the eighth number as the AI product manager. We are going to see what is this AI product manager and so on. And the last one and the most important and the top of the rank, it is called as the AI research scientist. Okay, now one by one, let's see the job profile, demands, skills required for each of this. When we say AI operator, now in the previous days, you are knowing that there are the data entry operators whose job is to enter the data into the system or into the ready-made software or a software package. So AI operator is somewhat similar to that, but they are more advanced in the sense that they are using AI tools and they are using different AI platforms for the input of the data, and they ensure that system functions very smoothly. Their responsibilities include monitoring AI systems, troubleshooting issues, and optimizing performance within AI workflows. What is a real time example? Operators at the malls or Walmarts, overseas international malls, they are doing self checkout. You must have seen there are the barcodes for each and every product, there is a scanner. So these are the AI operated systems, and these systems, proper working of this, accurate item detection of this, and resolving any real time errors, and to have a very seamless operation with the customer support, these are AI operators. What are the skills required for this? This is the lowest category in the AI job profile. They need a basic understanding of AI tools and platforms. They maybe need a basic programming knowledge such as Python or SQL, and they should also need familiarity with the cloud platforms. They also have problem solving and analytical skills. Now, how is their demand? Demand is moderate because they are operators having not much more enhanced skill, and salary will be entry level to mid range. Here, I cannot give you the exact salary for each job profile because it varies from time to time, from geographical locations, and from one company to the another company. What is their growth potential? It is steady, with opportunities to advance for more technical AI roles. This is the basic. Now, second is the AI trainer or data annotator. What do you mean by this? They prepares and labels data used for training machine learning models, ensures the creation of high quality datasets and enable accurate AI predictions and functionalities. So what do you mean by this? Can we take some example? Say data annotators at Tesla label the data from different cameras on self-driving cars, enhancing the vehicle's object detection and navigation capabilities. So these are the uh, operators which are more advanced and they are involved in detecting of the objects, for example, in the self-driving cars. So for this job profile, what is the skill required? That they need attention in the details of the AI. They need to have proficiency with the data labeling tools, basic understanding of machine learning concepts, ability to follow the detailed instructions. What is their demand? Demand is high. Salary is still entry level. And as they grow in this, they will have high potential with pathways to specialized data roles. Okay. The third in this case is the AI developer. AI developer. We use the word software developer or the app developer. What they do, they design different types of apps. So whenever we say that AI developer, so AI developer develops AI models, algorithms, and systems. They implement it, such as the nice example is the chatbots. There are now everywhere on every websites. They develop the recommendation engines, which movie you should see, which clothes you should buy, which shoes you should buy, like that. And they use the automation tools to solve the specific problems or enhance users experiences. For example, see, if you are searching something on the Google for a long time and then you switch on to your Gmail, then you will find at the right side corner you will see some advertises. So these advertises are related with the whatever you have searched earlier. Very clear. So these type of tools which are developed by the AI developers. What skills are required? Again, programming, that is Python and Java, and they need to have experience with AI frameworks. You might be knowing TensorFlow, PyTorch, and so on. They should have strong understanding of machine learning algorithms. That is a must. And they also should have problem solving and critical thinking skill. What is the demand in the industry? Demand is high because it is related with the increasing revenue of a company. Salary is mid-range to the high range. They have growth potential is significant with operations to lead AI projects and the teams. Okay. The fourth category is AI consultant. What do you mean by consultant? Who is more expert than the AI developer, but who is giving advice to develop the different types of AI platforms and tools. AI consultant advises businesses on integrating AI technologies to solve problems or improve operational efficiency. Acts as a bridge between technical team and business stakeholders to align AI initiatives with the organization goals. That is, he is a middle person between the technical team and the business team. He will take the requirement from the business team, will give to the technical team will design it, this consultant will review it, whether it is as per the requirement of the business and deliver to the businessman. What are the real life examples? Say example of say Accenture, which is a company which is assisting different types of banks for finding out the frauds. You know, nowadays the risk of making frauds is increasing at a very large speed. So they check the which are the different financial risk in the business. They apply analytics and they prepare the automated system to detect the frauds. Now, what are the skills required for this? Strong domain knowledge in the specific industries. You must know the business requirements, how the bank operates, how the mall operates, and so on. And most importantly, as we have said, it is the interface between technical team and a business team. So excellent interpersonal and communication skill is required. Understanding AI applications, AI capabilities in the context of a business. They should be strategic thinker, and problem solving abilities are the basic requirements for them. What do you think? What is their demand? Growing and growing. Their salary is high. And what is the growth potential? It is also high, especially with the specialization in the industry. For example, you'll find that many AI engineers, scientists, they are employed in the bank because a lot of transactions are taking place, a lot of data is generated, and so on. So they have high demand and their growth potential is high. Next, and the fifth is the AI strategist. What is the strategy? Preparing a policy, preparing rules, regulations. That is called as a strategy. So the AI strategists develop an AI roadmap. There's a new word for you, that is AI roadmap. And what should be the organization goals, what are their objectives, and how AI can be implemented in this. How organizational goals will align with AI initiatives, with long term business objectives, and importantly, how the return of investment on the money amount assets that has been done, that is also calculated by ROI, that is called as ROI. And they will work on the AI projects and staying ahead of AI trends. Now, here I would like to give an example. If you have seen recently in the elections of the America, one new government ministry has been formed, that is called as the DOGE. So DOGE, it stands for Department of Government Excellence, DOG, Department of Government Excellence. And who is heading that? Elon Musk is heading that. What is the function of this ministry? Is to keep an watch on the government, their inputs, their outputs, their functionality, and their efficiency. So AI is in now government also. So this is a very suitable example for this type of job profile. For example, have you known about Azure OpenAI services, that is by Microsoft? So AI strategies at Microsoft, the developer, is the development strategies which is working for the Microsoft, deciding the company strategies for it. So different platforms to use, different needs of the customers, different enterprises needs, and to support a stable, sustainable AI solutions. What are the skills required? Business strategies, planning. You should be a good businessman. Leadership qualities, project management, agile technologies, scrum master, sprint master, and so on. And what are the new recent AI trends are coming up? What are their technological advancements? And they should be also able to measure the AI project outcomes in terms of quality and quantity. When we talk about their demand and salary, yes, now it is moderate, but it is growing. These are few in numbers, but they will grow. Salary is, of course, high. Growth potential is also high, depending on the which industries they are employed. And it depends on their own innovation, strategic thinking, critical thinking, and so on. Next comes the sixth is the machine learning engineer. So all of you are studying machine learning. Sorry. So what would be a machine learning engineer? Who builds and deploys machine learning models. So what is in your mind? Supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforced learning, and so on. Manages data pipelines, prepare models, and ensure that the scalability and efficiency of AI systems. What do you mean by scalability of AI systems? If you have implemented the system or software, say for the 100 users in a mall, Then scalable means it should be used with the same efficiency for 1 lakhs of customers also. Scalable, expanding the number of customers or the number of inputs, that is called as the scalability, which is also very important in AI. What example I can give for this? Take the example of Netflix. How many of you are using this? This has developed a recommendation algorithms that suggest personalized content based on the viewing history. Why Netflix? Take the example of YouTube also. What you find, you see the some of the videos of some same categories. Afterwards, the YouTube will giving you more videos of the same categories because the algorithm works like that. That is a strategy which is developed in the YouTube. It is everywhere. What are the skills required? Advanced programming skills, Python or C++, then deep understanding of machine learning algorithms and data structure. Remember, in the data scientist or for AI, data structures are very, very important. You should not neglect it. Then, more to that, experience with cloud platforms. Which are the cloud platforms? Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, and so on. And one of the most important thing is that they should have the strong analytical and problem solving capabilities. Yes. How is their demand in the industry? Yes, of course. You have guessed very rightly. It is very, very high. They are in high demand because they are designing strategies and increasing revenue of the company. Just like a DOG, Department of Government Excellence, headed by the Elon Musk. Growth potential, it is extensive with numerous opportunities, and they are the project head in the companies, leading the different teams of technical experts. Seventh is the data scientist. What is a scientist? Is doing research, finding out something new inferences which are useful for this. Data is data that is normally what we see. And you must be knowing the difference between data and information. So converting data into the information in the simple language is called is the role of the data scientist. Data scientist analyzes the complex problems and extracts the useful information and builds models based on this. He must be very, very expert in statistical tools and the AI techniques. It is a bridge between data analysis and machine learning scientist. Right? For example, you might be knowing Spotify. The Spotify has a playlist, and weekly the Spotify will give you the recommendation that is called as the Discovery Weekly, enhancing user experience. So as you search for more and more videos on YouTube or songs in the Spotify, it will capture your features of your mind, your liking, your likes, dislikes, and will suggest you more and appropriate videos or products. Which are the skills required? Yes, Python and R is the basic for all job profiles, but they should be master of the Python and R with the data analysis capabilities. And they should be very, very good in mathematics and statistics. Data scientists, we are talking about the data scientists. Then they have good experience with machine learning and data visualization tools. What do you mean by data visualization? Many times the top managers, they are not interested to see each and every details of the data. They are interested to find out the visual appearance of the given information. So that is called as the data visualization. You will find Microsoft Business Intelligence and Tableau are the most efficient tools for data visualization. While doing your BTech, you can master one of these tools. And for students, the Tableau version is free. Please go to the Tableau site, and if you study it half an hour a day, you will become the expert in the data analysis process. How much is their demand in the industry? Extremely high. You can say highest. And salary, when the demand is high, salary is high to the highest. What is growth potential? It is very exceptional. There are very few, but they are very specialized in the AI positions. The top managers of AI are all data scientists. Eighth is the AI product manager. What do you mean by this? AI product manager manages the development and life cycle of AI driven products, ensuring that they meets the user needs and business objectives. They coordinate between stakeholders, users, and deliver successful AI solution. So, what is the example for this AI product manager? The best example is the OpenAI Chat GPT. See how the Chat GPT has become popular and how they are earning the money because they are being developed by the AI product designer or the manager. So, AI product manager, they will design something product which is similar to the chatbot. What is their demand? Of course, it is growing very rapidly, salary is very high, growth potential is high with opportunities to lead AI product initiative and driving innovations. And the last profile in the AI, and which is most important, is the AI research scientist. Mind the words, artificial intelligence research scientist. Okay, what are their roles? Conducts cutting edge research to advance AI technology, focuses on developing new algorithms. My dear students, don't use the ready-made algorithms. Try to develop your own algorithm and give your name to it. Maybe one day that will become famous and that will be known by your name. So, calling the libraries in Python, in C, that is not a much important. But developing your own library, developing your own algorithms, own frameworks, then digital UI, UX framework, innovative solutions, research for the complex problems in AI is important. How you can find the complex problem? Go to the Smart India Hackathon site, sih.gov.in. You will find a lot of innovative problems. Work on this. Take part into hackathon. Then your roadmap to this profile will be ready. So, DeepMind and AlphaFold. Have you heard this word? If you have gone through the recent news of the AI prize winners at Nobel, then you will find that the scientists who won the Nobel Prize in 2024, they have used AI models for analysis of the protein structure and they have used convolution neural network. Try to find what is this. So, if you know this, developing new algorithms, new strategies, new models, what skills are required? PhD level expertise in AI, machine learning, and all the related field. And they need a strong background, of course, in mathematics and statistics. Proficiency in deep learning and neural network frameworks. Such, what is neural network? Design your own neural network. Research mindset with the ability to publish and collaborate on scientific studies. What do you think? What will be the salary of them? Very growing very rapidly and is the highest paid salary persons. Very high. They have high growth potential with high opportunities and groundbreaking AI research advancement that lead to the research teams. So, what I want to say as a concluding remark, I want to make it. I hope you got all these profiles. The description is also given in the description box. The field of artificial intelligence offers a diverse range of career opportunities, each with unique challenges and rewards. Whether you are starting as an AI operator or aiming to become an AI research scientist, there is a path for your skills and interest. Embrace the journey. Continuously develop your expertise. Get passionate about the AI and contribute to shaping the future of technology. We want that you should not become AI operator. You should become data scientist. You should become AI product developer. The possibilities are infinite and limitless. Your future in this dynamic field starts now. So think it, make AI is your passion, and the fantastic world of AI is waiting for you. One important thing, you have to use artificial intelligence with basic ethics, and the human intelligence is a superpower and it should dominate the AI. AI should not dominate the human being. Please remember this and wish you all the best for your career. In the next video, we will see in detail the each profile that we have studied now here. Thank you. Thank you very much.